Let's go up like a rocket. Now across, forming a triangle tip, and slide across. A is for apple. Apple. B, start straight, like a brave bat standing tall. Now let's bounce. One big bump and a smaller bump below. Ta-da! That's B. B is for ball. Football.
C, curve gently, like a moon smile. Keep it soft and round. C is for cat and cake.
D, draw a tall line like a tower. Big curved door on the right. D is for drum and dog. Drumming dog. E, tall straight line first. 3 small arms. Up, mid, down. E is for elephant and egg. Elephant and egg. F1, straight line down. 2 short lines. Top and middle. F is for fish and flag. Fish red circle. G, draw a curve like a C, then a short line inwards. G is for goat and grapes. Ba grapes. H, 2 straight towers. Bridge them across the middle. H is for hat and house. Grass drain. High straight line down. Add hats. 1 on top, 1 below. I is for igloo and ice. J, draw down and curve up. Add a hat on top. J is for jam and jar. K, 1 line down. Now up and down, legs like a kick. K is for kite and kangaroo. L, draw straight down. Turn right at the bottom. L is for lion and leaf. Roar leaf. M, start tall. Go down and up again. 2 peaks, like a mountain. M is for monkey and moon. Monkey moon. N, tall line first. Now slide down and up again. N is for net and nest. O, make a perfect round circle, smooth and even all around. O is for owl and orange. P, line down like a post. Add 1 bubble up top. P is for pig and pencil. Q, draw a big round O. Add a little tail at the bottom. Q is for queen and quilt. R, 1 line down, curve on top, and leg out. R is for rabbit and ring, bunny and ring. S, start with a tiny curve. Now twist the other way. S is for sun and snake. T, line down like a tree trunk, big hat on top. T is for tiger and train. U, go down and curve up, make it like a smiling bowl. U is for umbrella and unicorn. V, slide down and then up, sharp like a boomerang. V is for van and violin. W is zig and zag down, zig and zag back up. W is for whale and watch. X1, line across. Now cross it the other way. X is for X-ray and xylophone. I is make a V at the top. Drop a line from the middle. Y is for yak and yo-yo. C is go across, down slant, and across, like a zigzag path. Z is for zebra and zip.